Hey guys, this is Steven with Lake Norman Power Sports. You can always contact me, Steven, at LakeNormanPowersports.com. Today we have one of every color spark. Sparks half the weight, use a third of the gas, 20 bucks fills it up. Go all weekend on it. All 5 of these vehicles are actually the 3-seaters. We have vanilla, bubblegum, pineapple, orange crush, and licorice. Made out of Polytech material. Get those nice sharp bold lines. Has RPM, speed, gas gauge, everything you need. Some models even have IBR, which is brake reverse, starts in neutral. This yellow one in particular has it. You can see that's actually the bucket right there. That's your brake. And right hand is forward, left hand's reverse. We always start up in neutral. And you got a tow hook in the back. You can tell it's only 3 panels that determine the color. You got one in the back, the wind deflector, and the front panel. So maybe a year, 3 years from now, they come out with a blue one, pop off the panels, replace it, have yourself a blue one. If you guys have any questions, give me a call or email me. Steven at LakeNormanPowersports.com. Thank you guys.